Hi friends! So this is all like clothes and stuff. It's pretty much mainly all clothes.
Let the water sit in it. Now just walk around, swallow. Red, white, and blue, happy Memorial Day.
I just got done cleaning and it looks so much better already. There's my name on it. I think it's like an arts and crafts kit. I'm really excited about it.
Say hi, friend. I'll get up close and personal. What's your name? What kind of hair color you using?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Savannah. If not, welcome back. Today's June 1st, so the first official day of summer, so I wanted to vlog for you guys, kind of just show you what I'm doing. I'm not doing really anything fun. Actually, today's kind of boring, but it's okay. It's 11:57 right now, and I'm getting my stuff ready to go. You guys, look at my little purse I got in my haul. If you haven't watched that, go watch it. But I'm getting ready to go to the gym right now, and then I'm gonna come home, and I have a bunch of things that I have to do today. So I have to literally, like, the depression room is forming, like, it's so bad. So I have to clean all of this and just put everything away. And then I also have to ship back some shoes because Drip Creations, they sent me 2 pairs of shoes. They didn't end up fitting, so I have to send them back, and they're gonna send me 2 new pairs that are a size 6. So hopefully those will fit me and it'll fit like a lot better and everything. But for now, we're doing something fun. I kind of want to start working out every single day throughout the week, like Monday through Friday, especially now that I don't have really anything else to do. So actually, so far this week, I worked out every single day, and it's Thursday. So far so good. I really do want to start working out in the mornings, no matter how early I have to go, and just getting it done at the beginning of the day. So that way I have the rest of my day to do whatever I want, and I'm still working out. So basically I want to work out every day of the week, and then on Saturdays, Sundays, that's when I'm going to take like my recovery days. So that's kind of the plan for right now. So far so good. I worked out yesterday with Julia, and right now we're about to go work out with Dwayne. So I'm really excited, and I'm going to go work out with Dwayne and his boyfriend. So period. I already kind of got up and did what I needed to do for the day. So I uploaded my video. It was supposed to go up yesterday, but I just had a lot going on, and thumbnail was gonna take me a really long time, and Julia wanted to hang out, so I was just like, you know what, it's fine, like I will get it up tomorrow. So I woke up this morning and I did the thumbnail that I was supposed to do yesterday, and I posted my video, so we got that out of the way, and now it's 12 o'clock and we're gonna go to the gym. I actually woke up way before my alarm, which I set my alarm for 10:30, but I woke up at like 9:30. I just didn't get out of bed until like, I don't know, like I think right whenever Dwayne texted me. I think that was around like 10:30, so that's whenever I got out of my bed, but I woke up around like 9:30. So anyways, we're gonna head to the gym and we're gonna get a good little workout in, and then we're gonna come home and we're gonna do everything we need to do. We need to clean my room, take my order. I'm probably gonna take a shower, take my order, and then come home and clean my room and put away all of my clothes from the haul. That haul literally destroyed me. I filmed it like a couple days ago, and my room has been a disaster ever since. I still haven't cleaned it, and my mom just keeps putting like new clothes, like clean clothes that I've already had in my room. So it just like, it literally is a mountain on my bed, and it's so bad. Like I have the boxes from everything, and it's just a hot mess, so we really need to clean it. So starting the summer off with cleaning. Vlogging today because it's the first day of summer. It's June 1st. Yeah! See?
Swag. Oh, cute.
Oh, you look cute. No, you look cute. I just put on something. Hi friends. His car's so nice.
Oh yeah, it's so sexy.
I remember you telling me that he had one.
Oh yeah, like when he starts it, it's like, you know, has like the little purrs kind of. Yeah, kind of cute.
Purrs.
Yeah. Whatever that like little. I don't know. Sounds so manly. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Say hi, friend. I'll get up close and personal. What's your name? What kind of hair color you using? Girl, your hair smells good.
I smell pretty. He's so pretty.
Getting rich and R.I.P.
Justin.
And they're a little more of like, yes, they're New Balances, but they're like a sleek New Balance. So I'm like, okay, I can wear these hoes out. Like, we're gonna step out with New Balances, you know what I mean?
Oh, we have to get a thumbnail, guys.
Oh yeah, hold on. I'm gonna get your water bottles like you're about to.
Gotta give it your 100%.
Okay, period. Jim Shark at it too. So.
That is a big scuba.
She's big and beefy, babe. Oh. That's not gonna spill on the shirt. And Jack can get all this powder because I have like on my jacket.
Oh my god, what if I'm already ADHD, so what if I'm like running all over the gym?
You swear. We're so excited.
Like you're a crack.
So excited! I'm nervy. I'm never doing it. Okay. Is it gross?
You don't really. Oh, you don't really taste that. You don't really taste it.
He's such a liar.
If you just like get water in your mouth and then pour the powder on top, you just swallow straight. If you don't gargle around,
have you taken like BC powder before?
That?
No, just in general. Like BC powder, like headache medicine. It's like powder in a powder form. Okay, I was never mind. Take it like that, but take it the way he said it.
So I'm gonna give you half.
Okay.
And then this is the first round, and the other one we're gonna do the other half.
Oh, I thought I was just gonna take half for like. I was just thought I was gonna do.
I know we're gonna do one whole. Period. We got it. It's okay. It's not that bad. It really isn't.
It's like crack. It's crack.
It's just pre-workout, y'all.
It's gonna make you itch.
They're such newbies.
I'm so nervous.
Okay, it's okay. Get like a nice mouthful. Touch your head back.
Let the water sit in it.
Now just swallow. To swallow, you let it swallow. Just swallow, Sav. Hell yeah, you're a champ! You've already started out better than most people have. I'm proud of you.
Oh my God,
most
I could
people
just feel all the chunks because like it wasn't all.
I'm telling you, it was all the whole thing just going down at once. Okay, halfway full. A little less.
Yeah, a little less. A little bit more than a half.
You got it. Yes, there we go. Get you a big, nice mouthful. You want to do this one? Okay. Swallow it whole. It feels so weird almost. Like when you swallow it whole, you're like I'm gonna gag or throw up. I know. Your face, you look so sad.
That one I did way like more like less mixed. And now I have a brain freeze. Oh no.
This workout's gonna hit different, y'all.
Yeah, and I don't do arms. So I'm like, my arms are gonna be so sore when I'm not gonna be able to lift them up.
Yeah, okay, but I will say this pre-workout takes about like 15 minutes to kick in.
Yeah, you're gonna be.
So we're not gonna waste time, sitting around because we do. That means our pre-workout's gonna be wasted, and I want all my pre-workouts to go to a gym because that means all that tingle's gonna be going to the big weights, and I'm gonna come out motherfucking ripped like the Hulk.
Okay.
terminal with a sign close and personal to see your face like blue. She's a lightning mood. Structure on a careful up boy wonder, chasing out the summers from the city to Toluca. Don't you steal the thunder. Don't you steal the thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep it up. Baby, take it time. You got your whole life. Put faith in the sky. On and on, we gotta keep it up.
Here. Now when you pull, lean back a little bit.
Got me spinning around like vertigo. How could I feel so certain, yet so ambivalent when it's time we shoot?
Here it is. Grab the weight from your ankles. There you go. Do as many as you can. If you can do 10, then do 10.
Don't let me steal your thunder. Wake up at the right time, looking at my light.
Red Light Blue Memorial Day.
Oh, whoa, yeah.
Over your dumbbell. Punch over.
Faith in the sky. On and on, we gotta keep it up. We gotta keep
My hands are literally shaking. Okay guys, how was y'all's workout? How was yours?
I feel like I've been stuck on a treadmill for 3 years and I just got off because my chest is so tight.
Yeah.
I keep farting. I don't know if that's from the pre-workout, but I feel really feel good.
How about you? How about you? Little leg day.
Legs are on fire.
My arms, my whole body's shaking. Dwayne really did that. Okay guys, so it's now 2:12 and I am about to leave from Dwayne's house. I am literally shaking. I can definitely feel the burn. We took the pre-workout and it's still going. So yeah, I just feel super jittery and my like whole body's still shaking. So definitely had a good workout today, but I am now gonna head home and then I'm going to get my packages. I'm gonna take a shower first and then I'm gonna get my packages ready and I'm gonna go to, I think, the USPS. What the fuck did I just say? The USPS, so the United States Postal Service, and I'm gonna go do that and then we're gonna head home and clean up my room. I kind of want to get it all done pretty quick because honestly I don't want to have to be cleaning my room all day. Alright guys, so it's now 3:06 and I just got out the shower. This is the outfit for the day. I just put on these jeans. These are from Tilly's, I believe. This top is Princess Polly and then just Air Force Ones. But alright ladies, so we are going to get ready. My room is so dirty right now, but it's okay. This is the perfume and lotion that I use. This pre-workout's literally making me feel like I'm on crack. But I'm happy because I feel super productive and I just feel like I really want to get shit done, which I really like. I'm gonna use the Foxy Bae leave-in cream conditioner and then this little argan oil and spray both throughout the hair, and then I'm just gonna put my hair back using this little clip that I got from Shein. Okay, and then I'm gonna use this little moisturizer. This is one from Murad. Oh my god, I put way too much. We're just gonna rub it in. Also, if any of my videos you notice that like my makeup's not blended right here or like my neck looks really patchy, it's literally not my makeup, it's my self tanner. Okay, I'm just gonna cover up these pimples. That's all I really have, so I'm not gonna do the full face. I'm just gonna cover up the pimple. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of my concealer. I want to get the one that's for, what's it called, like the hydrating one, because I feel like everybody's been telling me that the reason my under eyes look so dry and like crusty and stuff is because I have the matte finished one, and that's definitely probably true. So I kind of want to get the other one just so that way my eyes don't look that bad. But I kind of stopped putting as much and it still has like pretty good coverage. It's just I just don't use as much anymore and I feel like it looks a little bit better. But I use the loose setting powder. I don't know what pre-workout I took, but that shit is crack. Literally crack, love. I feel like I'm annoying right now because that's how, like, y'all see that? Yeah. And then I use this one. I'm just gonna powder my face. Then I'm gonna use my Essence bronzer and just this brush that I got from Miss A. I need to be popping out videos right and left this summer. Like, we need to get in our bag. That's how I feel right now. Oh my god, I just want to tan. I want to be so tan, but it's really so rainy outside. I just want to go to the beach every day. I wish I lived near the freaking beach, because if I lived near the beach, I would literally be at the beach every single day. Let me use my Lovecraft Beauty blush. I literally just did my makeup in 7 minutes. I'm not doing any mascara or anything just because we don't have time for that. Take my Flow Vitamins gummies. These are for PMS symptoms, so like bloating, and I just started my period today, so I need to make sure I have it tampon with me. Ugh, I'm so hungry. These are good for like hormonal acne, cramps, anything like that, so yeah, I haven't taken these today. Brush my hair one more time. Alright guys. Oh fuck, I forgot my Apple Watch. I have the package right here now. I just put it in this Amazon box and I have both pairs of shoes. Thankfully it fit perfectly, and I was like really kind of freaking out about, not like seriously freaking out, but like I was just worried about the packaging because I didn't have like a box. But then I remembered when I came home I saw that I still had my Amazon box, so I was just like, oh, okay, that's perfect. And they did fit, so I just put both in there. So now it's 3:57, almost 4 o'clock. The post office closes at 5. So yeah, I'm so out of breath. I had to email this one company because I ordered some car parts for someone's like graduation gift, and then they got into a wreck, so now they don't want the car parts anymore, so I'm just gonna return them. And I'm not bad about it because I'm still gonna get my money back anyways, so whatever. Not mad about it, but I did have to like email the company so I could return the product, which is a whole long process, so I had to do that. And then I also had to email some content for a brand that I'm doing a collaboration with over the next 6 months. I'm really excited about that. It's with Flow Vitamins, so basically that's kind of what I explained earlier. Really good vitamins. I've been taking them ever since I got them. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath. I'm literally like all over the place. Anyways, so now I'm gonna go to the post office. We're gonna take this and then we're gonna come home and we're going to clean the room, and then maybe we'll hang out with Julia. I don't know, but I don't want the vlog to just be like me cleaning my room and going to the gym, you know? Like, I would rather you guys have some form of fun summer content considering it is the first day of summer. So I just got done shipping out the shoes. It was like $20 to ship them out. That's not fun, but I had to do it anyways. It's fine. Period. So I just sent them a picture of that. But I also got a package in my P.O. box. So we're gonna open up that. Y'all, I really need to clean my cards so bad. I think I actually am gonna do that. Okay, so it's this little letter that says my name on it. I think it's like an arts and crafts kit. I'm really excited. And then this little, no, it doesn't smell, but it's just like a little pink candle. Cute. Ooh, and then we got this wild lavender for my Scentsy. Ooh, that smells really good. I love like fresh scents or like super masculine scents. Like Mahogany Teakwood is definitely a favorite of mine. French Vanilla Bath and Body Works. That smells great. And then she got me some paint, I guess, to paint my little letters. Super cute. And then she also wrote me a letter. Her Instagram is LMBEAN07. So if you guys want to go follow her on Instagram, show her some love. Oh my god, she put my caption thing that I put in the bottom of my description box. If you guys don't see it, I put that in the bottom of my description box. That is so cute. Thank you so much, Leah. You're so sweet. Thank you for sending me this. I really appreciate it. You guys know my P.O. box is always in the description box if you guys want to send me something. I just got to the car wash, so we're about to clean the car. I'm not gonna wash the outside of the car because literally, guys, what the f is Texas on? Because it is supposed to be summer, okay? I want to go swimming, I want to lay out, but look at that. Do y'all see that? Why is it supposed to rain every day this week? Like, literally. Yeah, I'm not gonna wash my car because that would just be a waste of money considering it's gonna rain this week. This guy just was like, "You're very beautiful," and I could tell he was staring at me. That's why, like, I don't know if y'all kept seeing, but I like kept looking back because I knew he was staring at me, and I kind of like weirded me out a little bit, but he was just like, "You're beautiful." But yeah, it was just like making sure I wasn't gonna get kidnapped. I just got done cleaning and it looks so much better already. I'm gonna spray some of this stuff. It's called Scent Bomb and it's in the Black Bomb. It's the Black Bomb one. It smells so good. I already sprayed it in my car, so I'm just gonna do one spray. Literally just vacuum my car makes it look 10 times better. I need to like do leather seat cleaner for like all the leather in my car and then like clean all of, like, let me show you. I'm sweating, but like right there, like I need to clean all of this and just like right here, you know, you can like see all that stuff. So yeah, I still need to do that, but other than that, the car is looking great. It's 4:52 right now, so yeah. Now we're gonna go home and clean the room. I'm in a very productive mood. While I'm still feeling productive, we're gonna get it done because my room is really kind of what I'm dreading doing because Lord have mercy, it is very, very dirty. So we're gonna go home and clean that. Sorry if you hear like any of the background noise, but it's now like almost 7 o'clock and I have not started cleaning yet. Let me just show you guys kind of what we're working with. But this is literally what we have. So this is all like clothes and stuff. It's pretty much mainly all clothes, but I just get like, I can't put anything on my floor, so it all ends up on my bed. And then when I sleep, I push it all to the side, so it like builds up a pile. But this is kind of what we're dealing with. And then I have this trash. This is what all my Shein stuff was in. I have that trash. This isn't really bad, but then this is what this looks like. So, and then my mirror literally has stuff all over it. And then I don't even want to get started on what the underneath of my bed looks like because it's really bad. I have a lot to do. It's really actually kind of gross and we're just gonna get started. And my camera's dying, so yay me.